Moving on to some other updates now. Time and again, the callousness of Air India management has been exposed, and there is more embarrassment for the national carrier. Now it is the confession of an ex-Air India employee and a series of shocking pictures that has again brought to light how Air India doesn't have any concern for the safety of passengers.
A series of pictures that should have woken up Air India. A series of reports that should have shaken the airline out of its slumber. And a sight that should scare every Air India passenger. This could be the biggest safety violation yet. This is your exit on a normal Air India plane. But in case of emergency, this sealed exit could be the difference between life and death. And this confession could send shivers down your spine.
This has been a regular practice with Air India. If they don't get the crew, they just declare the door inoperative, which is illegal from base itself. You cannot do it.
A regular practice on Air India flights. Safety and the national carrier clearly don't get along. Lesser crew means lesser safety for you, the passenger.
They just blockade the doors, put some tape, put some tapes here, there, everywhere, and then they just do everything. And they operate the flights. We've done so many flights. Well, today also most of our flights are operated without the minimum crew, below the minimum crew.
They knew all along, but chose to stay silent. Air India chose to fly with such sealed doors, something the DGCA can't ignore, and something the government shouldn't look away from.
With the DGCA silent on the issue and Air India adamant on flouting norms, such incidents would continue to happen in future and the passengers would end up paying the ultimate price. Ashish Singh in Mumbai for Times Now.
Air India cover-up blown. Safety door shortcut exposed. Images, papers, whistleblower.
This has been a regular practice with Air India. If they don't get the crew, they just declare the door inoperative, which is illegal from base itself.
The complete facts, the full story.
In case of any eventuality or emergency exit, there will be one crew less and one emergency exit or exit door less for the passengers to come out. And remember, in such cases, the fraction of second is very important.
First and exclusive.